Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here cyclohexane compound is given with methyl, bromine and deuterium. They are stereochemically specified. Bromine and deuterium are anti, bromine and methyl are anti. You are using sodium ethoxide. You have to find what will be the final product. Here the problem is in the blind side. If you look at the cyclohexane compound, you have to always draw in the chair form. If you draw it, you will find bromine and deuterium are opposite. You are using sodium ethoxide. Basically, it's an elimination reaction because strong base abstract the proton. So deuterium here abstracted and you have bromine elimination. So final product you have alkene which is trans to each other. So bromine and deuterium are trans which promote the reaction. So the final product you have is alkene on deuterium side. Here the concept you have to learn here is E2 elimination requires anti-periplanar position. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.